You good, man?
Good. No, what are you up to today?
A little belated birthday present for myself, so about 2 weeks late, but we'll do it.
Nice, second time jumping this time.
Yeah, but now over the big Whitsundays, so it'll be good.
Alright, see you up there, hey? Have fun.
Good,
Bye. That's what it normally does. It'd be nice all the way through my work week, and then as soon as it gets the day off, it gets windy again. I reckon tomorrow's going to be primo, man. I'm so excited about it. Hey, you get with your mate.
Thanks, bro. That was pretty fucking epic.
Good way to wake up.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man. It is that, right?
Yeah.
Thanks, man. That was awesome, man.
Made it easy for me, mate.
Beautiful day out there.
What was your favourite part?
Other the first couple of, I guess, 20 30 seconds, just free falling. It's pretty intense, but
so worth it,
it's incredible, eh? And then once the chute opens and the calm.
Yeah, nice and relaxing, man. Awesome, mate. Thank you very much, man.
Thanks,
Congratulations.
bro. Appreciate
See you
it.
next time, mate.
See you, mate.